Welcome back, everybody. Happy Monday, all. Good to see you all. Welcome back. Looks like we're having a exciting Monday for the first time in probably since 2 weeks ago, right? All right, just give me a second. Oh, almost forgot to share my screen for everybody in the cyber group room. Sorry about that. Let me get that up and running for you. Here we go. All right, so got a couple of nice moving stocks going on right now. Holy cow, we got this nice GNLN. Who got a piece of this stock this morning? What a great runner from 8 o'clock this morning. Stock ran from $3 to a whopping $9. Not bad for a day's pay, huh? 6 million shares, good iceberg orders. I mean, now it looks like the heat's dying up. We'll look at it in level 4 in moments. But yeah, looks like we got some nice little movements here. Not bad, right? On this GNLX. But we'll check it out. There's about 2 different other stocks we're going to check out also. But as we're looking at the watch list, you could see we got like mixed feelings. We got about 50-50, some greens and some reds. So we'll see how that pans out, because we are in the thick of the summertime. It is going to be a gorgeous week here in the Northeast. It was horrible last week. So I know a lot of people starting to go away. I will be going away starting at the end of this week. I'll be gone on my vacation. So I'm looking forward to that. I only do one big one a year, and this is the only time I do it. But I gotta make as much as I can this week in trading to pay for it. So let's go definitely do some shopping. But before we do that, let's just go over what we traded last week. For some of you here that missed out on some of those stocks, or you're joining us for the first time, we're going to talk about some stocks that had some nice moves. We had PLTR that was a great runner-up last week. You could see how that stock ran from like $21 up to about $30. It had a good move all the way from Monday, and then it had a good run up on Thursday, Wednesday, and so on. But really, really nice move over the course of the week. That one did pretty well. What else we had that did too well? We had MGOL. That was another nice mover. $3 stock to about $6. That one did pretty well. INDO was a nice mover. That one ran from like $2 to $4. Eli Lilly had good earnings announcements last week. Beat earnings for $760 up back to $900. You know what? I don't know if I want to jump back into it yet. I know they're doing pretty well. I thought it was going to get to 1,000. I got out at 900, went down to 750. I should have bought it back when it broke 800. But that one did pretty well too. What else you had? APPLS, right? APPS. That one was probably a very nice, inexpensive stock. Another company went from $1.80 up to about $3.30. Still looking pretty strong, this stock, believe it or not. I kind of like it. I'm putting it back on the watch list. The APPS. Nice little mover on that one too. And I think that pretty much does it. I think those are all the ones that were pretty decent. The LMT did really well. Lockheed Martin, I'm still holding that as a swing trade. I still have the ASTS. I mean, that stock we got it down here around like 13, 14, just kind of doing a little bit of a, flat line. A lot of you, all the fans of NVIDIA out there, listen, NVIDIA's got to break through this resistance level. So I know you've been watching, some of you been watching my video on social media, and I did a lot of videos on NVIDIA. But yeah, I mean, listen, a lot of these fabulous sevens are kind of flat, not really doing too much. Now that we have the season over on earnings, other than that, it's kind of quiet. What else did I have that was moving up pretty decently too that we had going on? Yeah, the Tesla. We've been watching that one. I did a lot of videos on that one. That one looks like it's building a Fausto flag here around 200. 200 has been a big resistance. Good thing we got out of Hood trade. Hood came crashing down, but that made a pretty good pop. And then, I'll talk about Bitcoin really quick. All right, so IBIT, you could see, had a good comeback. And, not bad. I don't know if anyone here has been watching social media, but I did put a video out there on level 4 on Bitcoin. We've been talking a lot about it. You don't have to trade Bitcoin, but we do trade a lot of the ETFs here that also trade along with it. So if you haven't watched that video yet, definitely check it out. All right. I'm going to post a lot more about them. Anyway, let's go talk about what's moving on this morning. All right. Because I think that's why we're here. Now, remember, it is Monday morning. We don't want to get too cocky. We don't want to get too crazy. But we do have a couple of nice little moves. And obviously, this one, whoever made money on this one, your day should be over already. GNLN, but it's never over because GLNN, this stock you can see on a long-term chart. Basically, it's testing some resistance levels here back from last year around September, but you have about 11 right there. But if it does, I mean, this stock was an expensive stock at one point. Anyway, the news that we posted the news out there, right? Yeah, that's the news. Binding letter intent for executive distributor, U.S. safety strips in fentanyl, whatever the hell that means. We'll just post it here for social media guys if you guys want to read it. What the news is. That basically is the news on the stock on GNLN, whatever it is. They effing love it. Stock's almost up 300%, and it's still strong. Now on level 4, for some of you want to look it out and check it out. So basically, is what we got going on right here. We got now we're starting to see some channeling around $9, seeing some heads around 10. Stock has already jumped up to about a category 4. So if you're not up that high, I would stay away from it. All right. Got a weekend buyout right here in RVNC. How do we know that? Because we got that little stupid straight line right there. We got another nice little mover. Great pre-market trading on this PSIG. The only thing I do not like about it, there was a big buyer here around about 145. He got filled. I'll show you right there. Is that big buyer right there got filled? It's got 17,000. Looks like he's doing a little refreshing. We're right around there. So that is a pretty big support level. But hey, you never know. Maybe that guy's refreshing. If he's refreshing, we covered that in class. Maybe we'll continue to go up. All right, we're getting a nice little shot on shot. How about that word, huh? SHOT. What is this little baby? What a beauty, huh? Nice little stock. We traded back in November. We all should remember that one. It ran to $7. Let's see where the orders are coming in. Yeah, orders are getting filled. Orders are getting filled. You can see his order right here at $1.09, $1.10 just got filled. You see all the little green balls? Nice little stock on that shot. All right. Once we break over $1, I always feel a little bit more comfortable. All right, that one just made the nice little watch list. This is up 17%. Good little spread, 800,000 shares. Not terrible. MIGI, let me go check out and see what's going on level 4. Okay, we got a 16,000 share buyer showed up at 95 cents. Whoopee. Anyway, nice little move. It's over $1. MIGI, we'll keep an eye on that one. This one looks like garbage. Garbage. Not what we're looking for. Trend. All this is not what we're looking for. By the way, this week, just to remind you all, I'm going to be posting my new video, training video on YouTube. It's about 20, 30 minutes about how to read charts. So I got a brand new video coming out. You don't want to miss it. Let's go hop over here on the losers. My God, Riley is not doing well at all. The stock got crushed from 40s down to 8. Looks like, listen, we do short here. So from the looks of it, it still looks like looks like a short. So, yeah, wow. These buyers getting filled. Not a good sign. See them all here? Those big orders out here on 910. They got filled. Got another order here at 850. Spread looks a little, the tier size look quite small. So unless you're an advanced trader, be a little cautious on that one. There's warrants on it. Okay, these are basically ETFs. Looks like they're up this morning. This stock I saw made a big move too this morning. Key. Let me go check it out. 16,000 shares. Key had a really nice move. Okay. All right. The bad thing about it now is we're getting a ladder effect on the offer. So that's not a good sign at all. Key's getting, you can see it right here. This is what we don't want to see. And this is a sign for it to go lower. Look at all this stacking we're getting on from 1840, 1820, $18. All right. So you can see Key looks like pretty much that party could be over right now. So we'll stay away from it. Pfizer never made a comeback, huh? Hawaiian Electric. We had a good move on Hawaiian Electric. By the way, that stock should be shortable. Let's put he on there. Why not? He's a pretty good one. And that pretty much does it. Not seeing anything else out there. All the other ones look like they're pretty much quiet. All right. Anybody on YouTube or social media, anybody else I'm missing I did not call out? Anything else? All right. So listen, before we go, I know we have a lot of brand new members that are joining us today. If you're joining our trading room for the first time, make sure you've done your orientation. Make sure you talk to education advisor. Please keep in mind you are in a trading room, not a teaching room. If you like the way we trade, well, we'll teach you how we do it. Talk to education advisor. If you're watching on social media and you do want to come and join our trading room, all you got to do is just click on this QR code in the top left-hand corner. And there it is. There you go. And just take your phone, turn on your camera, scan your QR code. You can join us, or just click on the link on the bottom. We'll get you in the trading room. In the meantime, everybody, market opens up in 15 minutes. We'll be coming back live in the Cyber Group room, broadcasting audio live. Me and Josh will be going for an hour, trading today's morning. Once again, we'll put this watch list on our Telegram, on our X. Anybody subscribe to any of those channels, please make sure you are subscribed to them, because we do post them all up there over the course of the day. If you just want to try some free events, those are great ways to get started. But if you are a student of ours, definitely subscribe anyway. Great way to get if you're on the road and stuff like that. For everybody else, like I said, we'll be back here live again tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. In the meantime, we'll be back here in 15 minutes, everyone in the Cyber Group room. So trade safe. And if you made your money and you did pretty well on the GNLN, enjoy the rest of your day. Always nice to start before the market opens up and be on the positive side. Good luck, everybody. Happy trading.